Ano to? Nandito kami sa tindahan ng mga frozen dark gizzard. Meron silang preserved na duck. Chinese home.
Mas maliit. 165. Aray, mahigit na 140. 165.
Sausages. Home.
Meron pala girl. Meron pala girl.
This is duck. Maybe duck or chicken. I don't know what is it. This is duck. Duck sausage. Yan. And this is dark gizzard.